In any business, the clarity of thought is very, very important. Whether you are doing stock market or whether you have any other business. See, the clarity of thought is very important. So in this video, I'll give you a clarity how the stock market works and what are the areas which will help you to make money into stock market. So this is going to be a very important video. Please listen to this carefully and don't skip this video because this will help you to improve your trading. And if you're starting this as a career also, I'm 100% sure this video is definitely going to help you, because this clarity of thought, it took me almost 5 to 8 years to understand how this process works and what are the areas where I need to improve myself. So today I'll give you a clarity how you need to start this as a career, or if you're not able to make money into stock market, I'll help you to understand how you can make money into stock market. A lot of people are looking for some kind of an indicators or some kind of a strategy to make money. See, this stock market is definitely we need a strategy. I'm not saying that we don't need a strategy, but before a strategy, there are few other things which comes. See, if whether we are a shopkeeper, we are doing any other business, whether we are a merchant, we are doing any type of business, we need to understand the plus and the minus, the positive and the negative of any particular business. So in stock market also, we need to understand first how this business works, what are the areas where we need to work on, so that we can get some understanding of those areas and then we can improve on those areas and then we can start making money. I hope you agree with me, right? So if you're looking for some kind of a strategy or if you're looking for some kind of an indicator, before that, there is one thing which comes, which a lot of people don't understand it, which a lot of people skip that part. So I'll suggest you don't skip this video. I'm a trader myself. My name is Ashish. I'm into stock market for almost now 20 years. I'm an investor myself also. I'm investing into stock market. I'm a trainer also. I train a lot of students also. So this video which I'm putting in my trading channel, I have another YouTube channel also which is related to investments only. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe both the channels. Both the links will be available in the description. So now coming back to the topic. See, I'll show you a chart right now. Okay. So this is a chart which is in front of you right now. Okay. Now understand the basics, because if your basics are not clear, you'll not be able to understand the market. And I'll give you some basic points, but those basics points are 100% useful. Okay. So a lot of people are saying there are indicators like moving averages, there are indicators like RSI, MACD. Lot of indicators are available and people are like running after one indicator to if this indicator is not working, let me move to another indicator. If this strategy is not working, let me move to another strategy. You will keep on hopping from one place to another place. So this is not the way to make money. If your basics are not clear, I'm not sure what will you do. So you need to clear your basics first. Okay. And when I'm saying basics, this is the basic which is in front of you right now. What is the basic? What this chart is telling you? If I'll ask you the components from this chart, what are the components? Can you name it? See, what is the one thing which you can see available in this chart? The first thing which is available in this chart is, if I'll ask you, give me the components which you can see in this chart. The first one is the price. Yeah, you can see the price in this chart. Yeah, the price is going up. The price was coming down. It was in a range. So the first component which you can see in this chart is the price. Second component which you can see in this chart is what? Is the trend. Which side the prices are going. Whether it is going on the upside or whether it is coming on the downside, or whether the prices are in range, right? So second component is the trend. The first one is the price. Second one is the trend. What else you can see in this chart? I have not put any indicators still yet. Yeah, I'm just asking you the components which you can see in this chart. The third component which you can see in this chart is the volume. Yeah, you can see the volume below the prices. This is the volumes. How many people are buying it? How many people are selling it? How the volume is going. So third component is the volume. What else? There are four components of any chart. There is one more component which you can see. And the fourth component is this, the date and the time. The fourth component is the time. These are the only components which we need to understand it. There are four components. I'll repeat. The first one is the price. Second is the trend. Yeah. Third is the volume. And the fourth is the time. So these are the only components which you can see in any chart. Other than this, you will not find anything. You're getting my point? So now we need to understand, now we need to dig into these 4 components. We need to understand how the price works. We need to understand how the trend works. We need to understand how the volume works and how the time works. Because these are the only 4 pillars of stock market, especially into trading. If you will understand these 4 pillars, I'm 100% sure you will make a lot of money from stock market. So let me dig little bit more into these 4 components today for you. Let's first talk about the trend part, because that's the very important part. Trend, how this trend works. We need to understand whether the prices are going to be on the upside whenever we are entering into particular trade. What is the trend of that particular stock? So there are 3 main trends. The first one is the upside. The second one is the downside. Yeah. And the third one is the range. The prices are not moving in any particular direction. It is going in some kind of a range like this. It is trading in a range from a lot of minutes or a lot of days. So these are the 3 parts from the trend side. Now, I'll show you one more important thing which you have not heard it till date. One is there are 2 types of tradings. One is the intraday traders. Let me clear it first. First is the intraday. Okay. The intraday trader. And second we can say is the swing trader or a positional trader. What is a swing trader? Swing trader is who carries the position till maybe few days or maybe few weeks. You're entering your trade today and you're carrying that position for, let's say, 7 days, 8 days, 10 days, or maybe for some particular 1 or 2, 3 weeks. So those people are called swing traders. Second one is an intraday. Intraday means you're taking your position today only, okay, and you're getting out from that position today only. So that is an intraday. Under intraday, we have a lot of other options, like maybe you're taking a position on 5-minute chart. I'll talk about that thing also, 15 minutes chart or a 1-minute chart. Which chart is important for intraday? I'll make a separate video for that. But today, the point here is we need to understand these 4 components. So when I'm saying trend, till now we have learned that there are 3 types of trends. One is an upside, second is a downside, and third one is a range bound. So if you're an intraday trader, why I'm talking about intraday and position trader here is, see, these trends differ from trading to trading. Please listen to this very carefully. If you are an intraday trader, okay, if you are an intraday trader, you need to look for reversals. Okay, note this thing down. If you are an intraday trader, you need to look for reversal. When I'm saying reversal means, for example, if the prices are going on the upside, which side it will face a resistance so that the price will come on the downside? Or it is vice versa. If the prices are coming on the downside, which is the area from where the prices can revert on the upside? So you need to be an intraday trader. If you are an intraday trader, you need to look for reversal opportunities, because 90% of the time in intraday market works like this. Yeah. It works like this. It never works like this in a straight line on the upside. So you need to look for these type of reversal, which side the prices will revert so that I can enter my positions. Okay. So if you are an intraday trader, if you're liking this video, just click on the like button and please share this video with your friend circle, with your relatives, wherever you feel that this is the person which this video can help. Please share with that person so that they can also gain these basic knowledge, because the problem with stock market is people don't have these basic concepts clear. Okay, so if you're an intraday trader, you need to look for reversal of the trend. You don't need to look for the continuation of the trend. No, you need to look for the reversal of the trend. If you are a swing trader, okay, if you are a swing trader or a positional trader, as I said, you need to look for the continuation of the trend. Because if you have observed in the daily chart or in the weekly chart, prices not work like this. Prices most of the time goes like this or like this. So you need to look for the continuation of the trend, not for these reversal points. You getting my point? Yeah, I hope it is making clear to you. So if you are an intraday trader, look for reversal of the trends. If you are a swing trader, look for the continuation of the trend. When I'm saying continuation, what does continuation means? You need to look for the breakouts. There are only 2 types of trends. One is a breakout trend and one is the reversal trend. So if you are a swing trader, you need to be a breakout. You need to find out the breakout trends. And if you are an intraday trader, you need to look for the reversal trends. I hope it is making clear to you, right? So this is as far as the trend is concerned. Now let's talk about the second most important point, which is the time. Second component is time. When I'm saying time, now time also differ from a trader to trader. If you are an intraday trader, okay, if you are an intraday trader, you need to look for 1 minute, 5 minute or a 15-minute chart. Don't go beyond that. No, don't go beyond that. Why I'm saying that? I'll give you an example. Because just now we have learned in an intraday trading, we need to be a reversal trader. We need to look for reversal opportunities, right? We don't need to be breakout trader. We need to be a reversal trader. Okay. So let's take an example. If you're looking for a 30-minute chart, if you're looking for a 30-minute chart in an intraday, what will happen? Maybe the prices are coming like this in 30 minutes and then the prices are going like this and this. And this is, we know how the market works. What is the timing for the market? It's open almost for 6 hours. It starts from 9:15 and it closes at 3:30. So almost for 6 hours the market works. In this 6 hours, in 30 minutes, you will get only 12 candles. You will get only 12 candles if you're looking for 30-minute chart. So most of the time you will miss the opportunity and your risk and reward will not work here. What is risk and reward? I hope it is clear to risk and reward. If you're taking a risk of 1 rupee, you need to make at least 2 rupees. So maybe if the prices are coming down here, you're taking a risk of this. So you need at least 2 rupees to prices to move down in the long term. So this is a 1 rupee risk and you need to make 2 rupees. Will you be able to make 2 rupees in intraday? No, because the market is open only from 9:15 to 3:30. Only 12 candles will work. So these 30 minutes will not work in intraday trading. Is this something new for you? Yeah, if it is new for you, just let me know in the comment box. So look for 1 minute chart, 5-minute chart or a 15-minute chart if you're an intraday trader. Okay. If you are a swing trader or if you like a positional trader, then you need to look for a daily chart. I'll make it clear a little bit. Okay. So if you are a swing trader, which time frame you need to look? You need to look for daily chart. And if you're making an investments for long term, investments, my handwriting is very bad, so please excuse me for that. If you're looking for some kind of investments, then you need to look for a weekly chart. Clear? So for intraday, 1 minute, I don't know what's happening. It's 1 minute, 5 minute and a 15-minute chart. Okay, swing is daily chart, investment is a weekly chart. So time frame is also clear, trend is also clear. Now, third most important part, which is a volume. Before that, let me show you something. See, this is the volume which you can see, right? These are the volume bars. Have you ever thought about one thing in this volume? See, let's take an example of one candle first. Okay, let's take an example of this candle. This candle, let's take an example. Okay, do you know in this volume, how many people are buying for the long term and how many people are just doing an intraday trading? Have you thought about it? So there are two types of volume. When I'm saying volume, there are two types of people in this market. One is, so this is the volume candle. Let's assume this is the volume candle. And in this volume candle, there are two types of people who are doing an investment also, who are buying this stock for long term or maybe for 2-3 days or 5 days. So, and second people are doing trading. These are trading for an intraday. Okay, so these are intraday people who are buying this stock today and they will come out from this position today only. So in this volume, there are two types of people you will find. Now, if you are doing a trading, if you are doing an intraday trading, if you are an intraday person, we need to see the total volume of this particular stock. You get my point? Now listen to this carefully. If you are an intraday trader, you need to look for the total volume. Let's assume the total volume of this candle is 40 lakh. So you need to look for the complete volume. But if you are taking this position in delivery, if you are buying this stock in delivery for an investment over of you don't need to look for trading volume. Don't look for trading volume. You need to look for delivery volume. How many people are taking positions? How many people are buying this stock for a delivery point of view? You're getting my point? So two types of volumes. One is trading volume. One is a delivery volume. If you're doing a trading, look for the complete volume. Look for the people where the big players are taking their positions. There is an art to find that. Most of the time I share my support, resistance, volumes and price, all these concepts in my Telegram channel also. If you're not there, the link is in the description. But you need to look for where the people are buying it. If there is some heavy quantities, heavy volume is coming into one particular stock, that not always means a lot of people are buying it. That can also mean that a lot of people are selling it. A lot of big players are selling this stock. So that is a complete different art. I'll talk about that also in one of the video. But please remember these four basic concepts, how you need to look for. And I'll suggest you save this video with you whenever you are comfortable, whenever you are free. After every 10-15 days, go back to this video and clear your basic. How the price works, how the trend works, how the volume works, and how the time frame work. Which time frame I need to follow. If I'm a trader, I need to follow these time frames. If I'm a investment person, I need to follow a different time frame. I need to follow a weekly chart. If I'm doing a swing trading, I need to follow a daily chart. If I'm a trader, I need to follow 1 minute, 5 minute and 15 minute. Don't follow 30 minutes or 40 minutes chart, because then your risk and reward will not work. Okay. And if you are a trader, intraday trader, look for reversal of trends. If you are a swing trader, look for breakout of trends. I hope this video is helping you to make some decision and your clarity of thought is coming better as compared to where we started when we started this video. If it is making sense to you, just share this video in your circle. Thank you so much. Bye-bye and take care.